Okay, hi there. So I have a Hunter solenoid that's burnt out. See, it's a bit burnt around this area. And I purchased one on eBay. They were about $10 each. It's a 24 volt. See if you can see it. Yep, volt AC solenoid. So I purchased these, they came in the mail, and I'm about to swap it out. So I don't think there's any polarity to these, so you just hook up one to a negative and the other end to the positive line. And if you want to manually open it, all you need to do is turn it 1/4 turn to open or to lock it off. And you turn it just about all the way in to get it to work with this solenoid with electricity. Alright, so I'm just going to swap it out. I have the negative, which is here, and the other line is one of these over here. And that should fix the problem. My lawn went dry for a few days and I couldn't figure out why. Everything else seemed to be working, so I went through all the zones one at a time to check to see which one it was, and then I discovered it was this one. I suspected it was because it already had the burn marks on it. I've never seen a solenoid burn out, but that seems to be what happened here. So that's why I'm changing it. Alright, I hope this helps somebody. You could buy these online. Amazon has it as well. It was, I think, $12 each, a bit more expensive. So I decided to try with the eBay one listing, and it looks okay. I guess I'll find out shortly. Okay, this is what it looks like. The bad one. Let's put the breaker on, see what happens. Okay, it's working now. So that was the problem.